Before Optavia, I wasn't really living, I was just existing. I was sedentary, I didn't really do much. As of today, I've lost 180 pounds. And I would never forget that day. I just remember calling the number, getting the information, and they provided me with a coach.
Hi, Candy.
I knew you had it in you, and I knew you had a desire to change, and you just have to remember that. I am so grateful for this opportunity that we've had. Look where you're at now.
I love how when I'm able to speak to her and I don't feel like I'm judged, and I love that when I tell her I reached a new milestone, the excitement, whether it's in a text message or a phone call, just to hear that excitement from someone else besides myself and to encourage me, I felt like I had someone on my side. The 5-in-1 plan was everything that I asked for and more. You eat 5 fuelings, everything is prepared for you. If not, you just add water. I mean, you can't get any more simple than that. And the only thing that you have to worry about is your lean and green. And that's also one of the simplest things that you can do. Proteins, vegetable. You can't screw it up. I definitely would say that I've learned better habits. I know what to eat and what works for my body, but I actually love the food I'm eating. I'm not just eating what I'm told to eat. I'm finding the right foods that actually work, foods that I enjoy. So where it's not a diet, it's an actual lifestyle change. This is definitely something that I would do for the rest of my life. I feel free. I feel free because now I'm eating better and I'm actually teaching better habits to my son. Now that I've lost the weight, I've been actually able to ride a bike. That was one of the things that I've always wanted to do. Being coached by Candy helped me to become a coach. I can actually help someone else reach their goal. And while I'm helping them to reach their goal, I'm also remaining healthier and happier because it's a form of accountability. I feel like I did a program and I have a community of people that I can call my friends and my family, and there's nothing more special than that. I know it's so cliche to say, if I can do it, you can do it too, but seriously, where I was in my life, if I can do it, you can definitely do it too.